Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create your very own GIF in CapCut. Whether you want to make an animated meme, a funny reaction for your group chat, or a cool snippet to spice up your social media, you'll know exactly how to go from idea to finished GIF by the end of this tutorial. So let's dive right in. First, open up CapCut and start a new project. This is your creative workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're in, import the video or photos you want to turn into a GIF. It doesn't matter if you're working with a short video clip or a few fun pictures from your camera roll, just make sure you've got the right files ready. Drag and drop them onto your timeline. Remember, the timeline is where you'll organize your sequence. It's like piecing together a comic strip, but with motion. Now, it's time to edit your project. CapCut gives you a ton of options here. Want to add a snappy caption or some stylish effects? Go for it. Maybe you'd like to throw in a sticker or an emoji to add personality. If you're using photos, pay close attention to the duration of each image on the timeline. This is what controls the speed of your animation. A quick tip: shorter durations make the GIF feel snappy and lively, while longer ones can make it a bit more relaxed. Try adjusting the length and previewing until it feels just right. If you've ever watched a GIF that seems off, remember that pacing is everything. The right timing makes all the difference. Once you're happy with your edits and the flow of your animation, head to the export stage. In CapCut, the export button is usually up in the top right corner, a little like the send button when you're ready to share something. Click that, and you'll open the export settings. Here's where things get a bit specific. In the export options, you'll notice settings for video and audio. Since we want a GIF, not a standard video, go ahead and deselect both video and audio and choose GIF as your format. This tells CapCut you want to export just the visuals as a looping animation without any sound. Now, onto resolution. CapCut offers a few choices, from standard 240p, which is perfect for most web uses and free to access, up to higher options like 320p or even 640p if you're subscribed to CapCut Pro. Think of resolution as the sharpness of your GIF. If you're making something just to share in a chat, standard is totally fine. But if you want that crisp professional look, higher resolution might be the way to go. Once your settings are dialed in, hit the final export button. CapCut will take a few moments to process your file, so don't worry if you see a progress bar. This is normal. When it's done, your new GIF will be saved right to your computer or device, ready to be shared anywhere you like. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've created your own custom GIF in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you run into any trouble or have questions along the way, drop a comment below. I read them all and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!